Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest notification which was released by Gas Turbine Research Establishment. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. So the Gas Turbine Research Establishment, which was running under Ministry of Defense, so they have given a latest notification for an apprenticeship program. So they have given and they have also classified based on the graduate apprenticeship training and many other trainings. So I will explain you in a detailed manner. So the first is about only for graduate apprenticeship trainings, that is for BE, BTech and equivalent degree completed candidates. So for them, totally 6 disciplines are there and total vacancy of 80 are there. So if you have been completed this and if you have been fulfilling the age limit and the minimum qualification, you can apply for this also, and the age limit is minimum of 18 years and maximum of 27 years, and relaxation has also been given for some of the categories, so we can check through it. And for minimum qualification is a degree in engineering or technology granted by a statutory university, by an institution or anything else. So if you are fulfilling this, you can apply for this. So the second is about diploma apprenticeship trainings. So the minimum qualification will be of diploma in engineering is enough. So for here there are 3 disciplines are there and totally of 30 vacancies are there, and they have also mentioned the age limit. So minimum of 18 years and maximum of 27 years, and age relaxation and upper age limit has also been given for some of the categories. So as said earlier, minimum qualification will be a diploma in engineering or technology granted by the state council. So for this there are 30 vacancies are there. And next is about ITI apprenticeship trainings. So for this 8 different ratings are there and total of 40 vacancies are there, and for this the minimum age limit is 18 years and the maximum is 27 years. So here also the age relaxation is given, and minimum qualification is a certificate in vocational course including 2 years of industry, 2 years of study after the completion of the secondary state of school education. So for this there are 40 vacancies are there. So if you are fulfilling these criteria, you can apply for this also, and they have mentioned some of the important instructions and some of the things. So I will explain you. So there are totally 180 vacancies are there for here, and important instruction has been given for the candidates who have been going to register for this. The first thing they mention is candidates who have passed the qualifying exam earlier than 2018 are not eligible. So as of age limit they have given like this, and additionally to that they have also mentioned that candidates with higher qualifications are also not able to apply. So if you are fulfilling the relevant criteria, you can apply for this. So if you are having more than that qualification, you are not eligible to apply. And next is about OBC certificate whose validity has been expired would not also be accepted for granting concession. So if you are an OBC candidate, you have to give your certificate with validity. So please be aware of that thing. And you should have also completed ITI and NCVT and SCVT board also. And additionally to that, you should be a candidate who have appeared in the qualifying examination but whose results has not been declared also on 5/1/2021. So you will not be considered for training. So please aware of the thing. And for your convenience, we have given this PDF link in the description box so that you can get relevant and references also. So you can check through it. So they have given the stipend details. So you will be selected for this apprenticeship training and you will be getting stipend also. So if you are applying for BE, BTech equivalent courses, you will be paid monthly 9,000 as a stipend, and for diploma 8,000, and for ITI 7,000 will be paid as a monthly stipend. So you can check through it. And next is about medical fitness. So you should possess a satisfactory health level and you should be physically fit also, so that only you can undergo this training program. Now next is about the selection process. So graduate apprenticeship trainings, depending upon the vacancies available in various disciplines, selection of candidates will be carried out by shortlisting on the basis of marks obtained in the qualifying exam also. And additionally to that, details of shortlisted candidates will be published in DRDO website only, and you have to check that website repeatedly. So please follow that also. and they have given the application procedure also. So how to apply. So you have to be very careful about that, and you have to upload your documents also. During your application procedure, you have to produce these documents and you have to upload these documents in the application also. So please check through it and please give your valid certificates. So these are the things and important days. So last date of submission of the online application will be of 29 Jan 2021. So please do your application procedure as soon as possible. Only a few days are there, and additionally to that, the first list of shortlisted candidates will be established on 12th February 2021, and the acceptance of candidates to join GTRE as apprenticeship training will be announced on 21st February 2021 or next month. And the interaction with the shortlisted candidates who have submitted acceptance to join also starting from 24th February onwards. And the probable date of declaration of finally selected candidates will be announced on 1st March 2021, and the date of joining will be of 1st March 2021. So they have given these things in this notification. So for your reference, you can check that PDF link also. So you can get relevant information and additional references also. So if you are looking for an apprenticeship, best apprenticeship program, you can apply for this because it is a golden opportunity, and please try, don't to miss it. And all the very best and best of luck from our team for your success and for your examination and for your training program also. And if you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.